Welcome, boys and girls, to Math Love, where you learn to love math.
Math love.
Hi, boys and girls. It's your math teacher, Miss Meika. Are we ready to do some math? All right. Psalms 119 and 114 says, Thou art my hiding place and my shield. I hope in thy word. All right, we're going to hope in his word today because he said that we can do all things through Christ, even math. Let's do this. All right, so we are going to talk about measurement. And usually, when we measure something, we use a ruler. This is a ruler. A ruler has numbers on it on one side and numbers on the other side. One side has numbers 0 through 12, and then the other side has 0 through 30. Now let's see what those numbers are all about. A ruler measures centimeters and millimeters. Centimeters, which is sometimes cm as the abbreviation, and millimeters, which is sometimes mm as the abbreviation, is what our ruler measures. Let's see what that looks like. All right, if we look at our ruler, the side with the most numbers is called millimeters. The side with the least numbers is called centimeters. With millimeters, the space between the number is smaller. With centimeters, the space between the numbers is larger. You see the difference? Small, large, small, large. So millimeters is measured in smaller increments versus centimeters is measured in bigger increments. All right, boys and girls, what you all been waiting for is time to measure. Now, whenever you measure an item, make sure that the item starts at the 0 and whatever number it ends with, that's our measurement. All right, so we have a pencil and we have the point of the pencil starting at the 0. And then the eraser or the end of the pencil ends at what number? That's right, at 14. And is that side millimeters or is that side centimeters? That's right, so it's 14 millimeters. Now let's look at this pencil. All right, if we have it, it starts at the 0 and it ends at what number? That's right, 5. And is it millimeters or centimeters? Yes, that's right, centimeters. So this pencil measures 5 centimeters. All right, now we have this cell phone. Okay, it starts at the 0. And what number does it end at? 9. That's correct. And is it millimeters or centimeters? 9 millimeters. So this phone measures 9 millimeters. Okay, so what is the measurement of this phone? It starts at the 0 and it ends at the 3. That's right. And is it millimeters or centimeters? 3 centimeters. Now it's your turn. I want you to take out your ruler and I want you to measure each item in centimeters and millimeters. Raiden says you can do it. Did you get those right? I bet you did. You know why? Because you are my math star. Continue to love math. See you next time. And remember, Jesus loves you. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go to mathlove1.com for always free worksheets.